Once you clean up your bench and decluttered, you can position your Bunsen burner somewhere in the middle of your workspace, but make sure that it's free from anything that might be flammable or any loose papers or anything else that might be nearby, because the Bunsen burner will burn things up. So you want to turn the gas on, and you'll hear a hiss. Take your striker and ignite that. You have this nice blue flame. So what we're going to do first is transfer some liquid from a bottle into some test tubes. So the first thing that you should do is loosen the cap on your bottle. Flame the bottle as is and just loosen it. Flame it a little bit, pass through the flame a couple of times, and just set the cap right on top of the bottle. And if you're working with test tubes, you want to loosen the cap as well, if you can. So the next thing you want to do is find the pipette that you need and break open the package and then fit it onto your pipetter tightly. Pass the pipette through the flame, just back and forth, just like that. Flame the cap of the bottle, flame the mouth of the bottle one more time, and then measure the amount of liquid that you need and flame the bottle one more time. And then dispense the liquid into the tubes. Now you can see that I was able to open the cap of the tube pretty easily with just one hand. But if you need to, you can use the pinky of the hand that you're holding your pipette. Pull that off, flame the mouth of the tube, pick up your bottle, flame it, flame it again, and then put the cap back on the tube and then set it back on the rack. If you do need to put down your pipetter, you can do this, where the pipette tip that's going to be touching the liquid is not touching anything, and it's just sitting like this. And just be careful that people are not walking into it and you don't bump into it accidentally. And if you want to use it again, just flame it one more time. Flame the bottle, pipette up what you need, flame the bottle again. Oops. And put your liquid into your tube and cap it. And then the bottle, you can flame one more time the lip, the mouth of the bottle, and then the cap of the bottle, and then tighten it when you are done with dispensing the liquid from your bottle into your test tubes. The key here is to make sure everything is ready to go before you fit your pipette on your pipette onto your pipetter. When this is done, you can discard this appropriately. Just make sure that you know where these things go in the laboratory. All right. So now that we have our tubes filled with the media that we need, what we're going to do is take some cells and inoculate them into these tubes using an inoculation loop.